Hello, Zillow Premier Agents. I'm Emily, and I'm here to talk with you today about your ROI. In case you don't already know, ROI stands for Return on Investment. Knowing your numbers is knowing your business. So let's dive a little deeper into why you should calculate and track your ROI and how to do that. Calculating your return is a way for you to more accurately determine how much value you're getting from your Zillow Premier Agent investments. This can help give you a clearer picture of where your marketing is most and least effective. We want you to have the knowledge and confidence to continue investing with us. So how do you calculate ROI? Let's take a look at this example. Say you closed 3 homes for clients you met through Zillow Premier Agent in the last 6 months, and you spent $1,000 on your Zillow Premier Agent investment per month. For simplicity, let's also say all 3 of your sales closed at $250,000. That means that for those $750,000 in transactions, your commission income was about $18,750. If you take that income and divide it by your total investment of $6,000, you get an ROI of 3.125. That means that for every dollar you spend on your Zillow Premier Agent investment, you made just over $3. You can also use this same approach at a more detailed level. For example, you could calculate your ROI for different zip codes to see how well they're working for you. For more assistance in developing strategies, speak with one of our business consultants. They'll help guide and advise you on how to maximize your investment. Thanks, and see you next time.